right, so when you think Tifa, you think of hits like Spell It Out and Swaggin', along with many others, including more recently a collab with the Grammy kid, Kabaka Pyramid. She really just needs no introduction, but she's here with us this morning. Recording artist Tifa Brown, who you better know as Tifa.
Who named her?
I just said it.
Who named her?
That's her AKA.
Oh, okay.
Also known as.
Good morning, my loves. Good morning, good morning.
It's nice to see you. I feel like I haven't seen you in a long time.
I haven't been here in a long time, and I'm really excited and happy to be home.
Well, I mean, so let's talk about that. Home, like, you're always welcome here, so home.
Jamaica is always my home.
Jamaica, yes.
But I'll be spending more time here now. You're going to see lots more of me.
So where you was?
I was in the States for the last 4 years, just, trying to set up life, grow up and set up some businesses and do some different things. And now I'm just ready to be back and ready to be artist Tifa, entrepreneur Tifa. Mm-hmm. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Wow. So tell me what that period of your life was. I'm curious, because is it that you got to a place where you realized you wanted to diversify? Were you just tired of the artist business? What were you doing?
Number two. I was really tired of it. The music is never the problem. You know what I mean? It's the business and everything outside of the business that really, the creation process is great. You know what I mean? You could create for days. And I just felt that it became, at the point in time when I left, it became so toxic. And it's not that I couldn't stay and fight. I just couldn't bother no more. You know what I mean? I thought that my mental health and my sanity was just more than what was going on at the time. So I left and went to a little country town. And
you did not?
I did. Like, on the street, the sign says, slow down, horse crossing.
No, you did not.
Yes, and I needed to get back to Tifa. You know what I mean? Because sometimes when you're in the situation and you're in the chaos, you can't really see things and people and situations for what they really are. And I just needed to take myself out and refresh.
Was this like going to a place where nobody knows your name?
That's literally where I live. They just say Tifa, Miss Brown. Like nobody says Tifa.
They didn't know you was an artist?
No.
Oh my God.
I told you, it's like a country and western town. Nobody we just live. Go supermarket, we just roll the car. We live like a regular person. And I needed that at that time. And then COVID happened. And then I just was in the house ordering stuff off Amazon. And I got like a little studio set up. And I make a little studio in my closet. And I just started recording again. And this whole entire time, like, I've just been recording.
So you have a bag of things put on?
Listen, if I wanted to drop like 6 albums right now, I could.
What about the business side? You said you wanted to set up some businesses. Did that go well?
Yeah, I did. I mean, I don't really like to talk too much about it, but I set it up.
You guys, a foreign thing, or it can work?
Yes, over there,
Jamaica?
but I'll be diversifying to Jamaica soon. But yeah, I'm ready to be Tifa again.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, God gave me this talent. And I read somewhere, I saw it with Morgan Freeman, he's saying that, you're born with a gift. And some of us learn our gifts along the way, and it's disrespectful to not only God, but yourself when you don't indulge in these gifts.
Gotta use what you have.
Exactly.
Go back to the songs. We're going to get a couple albums out of this?
Of course. You're actually listening to the beat from the new song, Sweet So. Everybody like it so far. I'm excited about it. Everybody want dub. So Sweet So is out. There's more coming. You're going to get one drop side of Tifa. You're going to get dancehall side of Tifa.
We're getting singing Tifa? I love a singing Tifa.
You're going to get the next single is a singing single, so you're going to love that.
Okay.
Because of what was going on, what kind of writings you did? Was it what was going on you wrote about, or?
You know what? As a writer, you just write about life and the things that are happening around you and the things that you see. It's not necessarily, and that's another thing too. You want to evolve as an artist, but at that time, it's like, we only want to hear Matey Wine, we only want to hear Dash Out, we only want to hear Wine Up Yourself. There are other things going on in the world. You know what I mean? And I just wanted to do more. And I felt like I was caged at that time. But now, it's a little bit easier for me. And then I feel that the disparity between what's going on now, because you're like, oh, them young set of artists and them not doing nothing, blah, blah, blah. But I think what really needs to happen is a merge between what's happening now, because it is their reality, what they are singing about, and the core principles, and make we see if we can just merge the two of them and take it back to that international place that it needs to be.
So you're still going to do the Wine Up Matey? Is that, or has that been a part of the assessment over the 4 years where you say, I think I'm beyond this? I
get it. I mean, I'm Jamaican, I like to party. So I mean, and I feel like, especially now, there's not enough of it. You know what I mean? It's a whole heap of chopper, it's a whole heap of struggle, it's a whole heap of have one biscuit and bread. Like, people have fun too. People go out and enjoy themselves.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Especially for women.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm sure you guys must have seen the video where you see the woman literally go up on the stage and say, Mr. Selector, sir.
Yes.
You know what I mean? We want to go out and have fun too.
Yes.
We spend money on our ear and nails and look good. We want fun. So I want to evoke that.
Yeah, why this business in the first place? Because as you rightfully said, it can be a tough world.
It can be a tough world.
And some people say male dominated. But why this business in the first place?
You can't help what you love, you know.
When you found out you love this?
From probably about 3 or 4
Years old.
Where
when
that come from? What?
I'm not your superwoman. From them time, I just loved it. I just always, and then my mother realized and she was like, all right, you want to do this? You know what I mean? Because she didn't want me to feel different because of my legs. So she was like, okay, you want to sing? Make a put you in the choir. Or you want dance class. You want act? All right, we're going to do acting. And then I found Ashe.
Yes.
And then I was with Ashe for years, or probably like 10 years. And I toured extensively with them as a kid into my adolescent years. So I've just always loved it.
Tell me about the legs. You just said because of your legs.
All right,
What's
so
going on with the legs?
Blount's disease.
What's that?
When my mom was 6 months pregnant, a scorpion stung her in the navel, in the umbilical cord. It poisoned her, poisoned me. She basically couldn't eat for the rest of the pregnancy. She had lockjaw. She basically drank cercity for the rest of the pregnancy. So because of that now, I have a bone disease called Blount's disease, Blounts disease. It's 1 in every 16 million people. It's where
One in every 16 million.
Yeah, 1 in every 16 million. So your legs are basically like this, like a diamond, kind of like rickets.
Yeah.
So it's where your inner bone grows faster than your outer bone. I had to have 3 corrective surgeries. They basically had to stop the growth in my legs because every time they would straighten them, they'd grow back out each time I'd grow. So I have 11-year-old legs and an adult's body.
Yes, girl.
But
But that's what makes you special.
thank you.
Yeah.
1 in 16 million. You are very special.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So look now, miss, you've decided now is the time to step in. All of those reasons you stepped out, are they not still there? And
Yeah,
how do you plan to navigate this time so you don't get frustrated again?
They're there still, but one is it's when you become refreshed and rejuvenated, you turn into a different beast. You know what I mean? And as I say, when you're outside, you kind of see how the machine works. Like, okay, so this is how this works. So this is who this person is. So this is what that is. So you kind of know how to maneuver better now. You know what I mean?
You were sitting out, you were auditing the industry.
I was.
And making your strategy map as to how you come back.
I was.
What have you not done in this business that you still want to do?
I want to get a Billboard #1. Billboard Hot 100. That's what I've always wanted. I wanted to be that female Shaggy or Champal or Pacha. That's what I've always wanted. And even if I don't sing the song, I would love to write the song for somebody to go to them. I've been doing a lot of writing. Also, I've been going to like California, Atlanta, doing the writing sessions. I can't say who I write for, because I have to sign the NDA, but I've been doing that. So if I don't get it as Tifa the artist, I'll hopefully get it as Tifa the writer. But that's what I've always wanted, to fly the flag high as a woman for Jamaica with music.
You can't say who you write for, locally or foreign you're writing for?
Both.
Sorry.
But I mean, I was overseas, so rappers, R&B singers, yeah.
That nice, eh?
That's great.
Which part do you enjoy most, the writing or the performing?
All right. I prefer the creation process. That give me like thrills, but performing pays you. I will love money.
Well, if the song hit, the writing pays you.
True. As I said, no, I love the creation process. It's like a, but I love the creation process more. But it's a thrill when you go on stage.
Yeah.
And you see people reel up and jump up, and it's just a joy.
Yeah. So the single now, tell us about it.
Sweet so. As I said, there's nothing in the space. I mean, it needs something in the space of females. So it's basically one of them old throwwood song there, but with a new kind of vibe to it. But that's basically I said, my name say I'm sweet, so and the girl them eat me because I'm sweet.
Give me 30 seconds right on this.
Girl have to say, oh, I'm sweet, so. Let me start again.
Yes.
Man have to say, oh, I'm sweet, so. My walk neat, so. Yeah, me just a do it, so. Me just a mad them. Anyway, my step, girl a cause problem. Whoa, I have to change my name to plane, cause me just fly.
Hey.
Man, them just a rush me. Girl, them a say why. Them wish them could have been me, emulate my style, but for me it look good, for only just why, like, Father God.
No, you can't the sweet so it's a girl tune.
But you don't know me already.
Come,
so
you're
now
sour
they can't
bad.
tell
You're
me
sour
no.
bad. You're the sweet so. You're sour bad. You're sour bad.
We are the only male gooders in the country. We tell you that already.
Me like that.
Say that for
Because,
true.
no,
Come true,
we
male
are the
gooders.
male gooders in
did
the whole
say that for
country.
true.
So
So
can't
is
do
it?
that.
It's released,
Yes, it is.
so we can hear it everywhere.
You can hear it everywhere.
Okay. next for you?
Tonight, I'm at Mass Camp.
Yes, for
Strictly 2K. Myself and Ja Vinci. I came home and I just feel like a star. Because the posters and the flyers and the billboard just everywhere. And I was just like, oh my God, what were you doing all
And
this
there's
time?
something here that also feeds your creative spirit,
It
don't
does.
it?
It
So you're
does.
number 1 on the billboard already?
It does. Give thanks.
Number 1 up on the
Look
billboard
good.
chart.
Hey.
Yeah. Don't start it, don't start it. Strictly is tonight if you want to see Tifa.
Mass Camp.
Fresh off the plane from foreign and sweet, so.
Great to see you.
You can
Give
check
thanks.
out tonight.
Great to see you guys
Good to
also. I
see
missed you
you
guys.
too.
I missed you guys.
Yeah, we're happy to have you home, man. Next time, don't stay so long.
I won't.
You want to refresh? We will give you like a 1 month or 2 months, and you go and you come back home.
Got it. It's
Okay.
a deal.
Copy that.
It's a deal.
Love you.
Love you
Alright.
too.
Go on.
Oh, my sweet sir.
Eh.
My what need sir. Yeah, me just a do it sir.
Hey.
I just a mad them. Anywhere I step, I cause problem. I have to change my name to plane cause I just fly. My name just a rush me. Girl them a say why. Them wish them could have been with your Emily. But style but for me it look good pan on just wild like yo. We swagger just up. A girl they pan mute my thing just box. Certain things they have a bar with. Girl a real star. Girl a real girl a me set them. You know what is true?
Hot girl.
Girl a real hot girl.
We still come back, everybody. Still to come. 2 reggae boys. Reggae boys. 2 of the reggae boys' biggest fans. Stay with us. We soon come. Oh, yes, sweet, sir.
Oh,
Oh, you sweet, son, that friend.